Welcome to what your assignment should look like at the end. Well, roughly. I've used VisMe, but the program was of your own choice. And as I didn't want to provide all of the information to you, I will be expecting some more slides and some more information. So let's start and see what we've got. Obviously, now this project is based on volleyball. So the rules of the game are 6 players on a team, 3 in the front, 3 in the back. Maximum of 3 hits per side. The ball may be played off the net during a game on the serve. Player may not hit the ball twice in succession. And it is legal to contact the ball with any part of your player's body. Now obviously this is not all of the rules, but just a brief introduction to what you might use on your video. The dig. Now the dig is a defensive volleyball technique. It is usually in the back court, and it's generally done when receiving a spike. Here is an example of what a dig position should look like. See the straight arm, bent knees, and then he would follow through with the ball. The set. A volleyball set is a technique used to set up the ball so the hitter can spike the ball. It's very important as they set up the offence. As you can see, bent knees, nice springy arms looking towards the ball, open palms. Very important that you get a decent set so the ball gets high enough for the spiker to hit straight down into the other court. Volleyball spike is an attacking hit, so it's very important that the spikes get set up the sets get set up for the spiker so that there is enough power behind the ball to land in the opposing court. As you can see, he's jumped up, the ball is here, straight through, straight down. Now, let's have a look at some players who have no idea about how to play volleyball and see how much skills, technique and practice will improve their performance. As you can see, they're not quite set up the way that they should be. And we have no idea how to return the ball or set it up for the next person. As you remember, there should be 3 hits in the game, or in a receiving. Now, although you are allowed to use other parts of your body, that was probably not quite what they were looking for. Obviously, trying to use the 3 hits would be most appropriate, and again, not in their correct formation. So, as you can see here, it is very, very important that they develop the skills and the technique as they have not received the ball, played it and returned it back over the net. Too many hits. So let's take a look at the next screen where what a bit of practice could look like. The dig, another dig, and a straight over. So not quite what they're looking for, but sometimes it doesn't work to textbook. Good teamwork. We didn't see any encouragement in the previous video. I think that's very important in sport. They're in their proper formations. pick, set, spike. Perfect. Exactly what you're looking for. And again, team encouragement. So that is basically what you're looking for. I will expect a little bit more from you guys, but this is just a little taster of what I'm expecting. Thank you.